Hello, welcome back. Welcome to my channel, Krave-Worthy Life with Katie Eves. I should look over here. So today is my garden update for July. I did one in June and it's been a little over a month. So I just filmed walking through showing you guys some harvest, some bug damage, some progress, some fails, and yeah, so now I hope that you stick around to the end. This is the Sweet 100. I just picked, it's kind of going crazy. I'm just letting it go crazy. All those red ones are from the Sweet 100. This brandy wine, pink, is not ready yet. It's got some green fruit down there. Let me see if I can show you. Right there. So those will ripen soon. Here's some more budding up. And then this one is the Sun Gold. It's going freaking crazy. So I'm picking some right now. And let's see. So they are an orange cherry tomato. And this is like a dark orange. This one's ready. This one's ready. This one's ready. This one's ready. Come here. This one right here can come off. It's pretty much sized up. These two right here from the middle. It's kind of hard to get into it because I kind of let it go crazy. I didn't prune very much. I mean, I did, I thought, but sheesh. Okay, I might have to go around the other side and reach across the bed that way to get some of them that are ready. Yeah. This one's just going bananas. And then our little baby corn right here is suffering because it's kind of covered up. Like, there it is, but I would prefer to have tomatoes over corn or baby corn. So I am letting it do its thing. And then this is the Cherokee Purple, and they're getting like a really good size, but that one's cat-faced. Like, there's massive fruits right there. And like that one too is kind of fused. Let's see. So that one will hurry up later. These are supposed to be zinnias, like here, and they're just a little slow growing. I planted them pretty late, but oh well. Okay, I'm on this side now. Ooh, trying to get these tomatoes that are ready. Okay. So this is everything that's ready. About, I don't know, a pint, half a pint of cherry tomatoes maybe. Lots of stuff growing still. And then this is our jalapeno plant. I need to give everything a drink. It's got flowers on it. I got that from a nursery. The bell pepper is, it's trying. And then I sprinkled a bunch of carrot seeds, but I'm pretty sure they're not gonna germinate. This dirt is kind of awful. So, this is the raised bed. Okay, then now I'm gonna take you to the green stalks. Okay, aloe vera, it's just chilling. I don't know, I think it's okay. These are also supposed to be carrots, but they're not germinating. Those are rainbow carrots. These are the carrots I planted in like April, but they're like not very big. Okay, like this is the biggest. I mean, they're just taking forever. So I guess I'll keep that and snack on it. Okay. So those need water. I've got some carrots around here. This is a blueberry that I think I need to acidify the soil again because it's just not making fruit. And I thought that by this time of the year it would. But I don't know. Because this is the new growth. But I don't know. And here's another blueberry. I think I need to acidify that. This is a raspberry. And it needs to be watered because it's kind of sad. I'm going to give it a drink in just a minute. And then, so we have tomatoes over there that have no pest damage right now. I'm so grateful. But over here in the green stalks, I've seen 2 freaking, what are those called? Tomato hornworms that was doing a lot of damage. I got it out the other day, came out here and I found one right here. I've already thrown it far away. It was eating my tomato. And then there's some damage right here, but I couldn't find another one. So I might come out later tonight with the black light and look, because this one is finally blushing. This is the Mountain Magic tomato in this pocket. And it is, these are like 2-ounce fruits. They're huge. So that's doing really well. It's got some, I guess, nutrient deficiency. I can fertilize again maybe, I don't know. Just need to water it. I haven't watered it in a couple days. Today is July 7th. It's a Sunday. I was out of town for a day or two this weekend. And then, let's see, around here, planted some radishes. Our marigolds are still doing fine. This is the original marigold, and I took one of the seeds and planted it in here a couple weeks ago. It looks beautiful. Love it. More radishes. More radishes. These are the sweet peppers. This one, I've got 2 over there. They've got some fruit on them, looking really good. The cucumbers I'm gonna rip out because they're kind of making me mad. The first one was great, but then I was very bad about watering consistently. So yeah, they look really sad. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. So yeah, I need like a, oh yeah, that's an nasturtium. Another radish. This is basil that I probably need to pinch so it can bush out. I don't know. More basil. Yeah, I think I'm gonna rip this cucumber plant out later because I need a real trellis. I'm just not, okay, sorry for the noise. I'm just not thrilled with growing cucumbers in a green stalk. It's just not for me. That's another radish back there. I'm pretty sure this is the cilantro that's gone to seed. It is just about ready to be harvested for the coriander. You see, this is drying out. This is the darkest. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Anyways, so that's something. It's good to see the life cycle. I came out here a couple days ago and harvested a bunch of lettuce from these pockets. That one I didn't harvest. I forgot about it. Kind of blended in. I tried some of it and it's a little bitter, I think. So I might have to figure out what to do. Oops, sorry. I didn't know you were zoomed out that far. Okay. This is what I was saying. We've got peppers. Peppers. These will be the like little snacking peppers. Very excited. That's concerning. They look dried up flowers. Oh no. This is celery. I planted it wrong. It's like, here's one there, this one here. It takes a very long time to grow. So we may just have, I don't know, that one's going a little crazy. Let me scoot through here. Another marigold. This is romaine. I've cut it down once and cut it down another time. so it's probably basically done. This is the Black-Eyed Susan vine, and I thought that it would trail out, but it's just kind of doing nothing. It's almost like growing of itself. I don't know. Maybe I can train it really quick to come down here. I don't know. It's literally like on itself. Twist it around. Okay, maybe it'll get the idea. Maybe I can do this. Okay. And I thought this had flowers, but I don't know. We'll see. But again, I'm so upset. It was munching away. Okay. More radishes. Empty holes. And then I brought a basil plant over here from over here. It's kind of struggling because I was like, basil, it's only attacking this one plant. The hornworms are only attacking this one plant. And I was like, maybe it needs more basil, but I gotta, yeah, I seriously need to water. And over here, this fruit is almost mature. This is the snacking bell pepper again, and it's starting to ripen into this orange color it's supposed to be. And then there's some on the back there. Very exciting. Awesome, awesome. This was crazy looking, and I cut it, and I don't want to ever sow that heavy of romaine in a pocket like this again. This basil's very sad. Aye, aye, aye. Lots of nasturtiums. This is an edamame plant. More nasturtiums. Okay, the chocolate mint is finally bouncing back. When I got it, it was far too large for this opening, and I just kind of like shoved it in there because I was like, I'm not going to unstack this whole thing just to put that in there. But the mint is contained, and it smells really nice. Chocolate mint, that's so good. But okay, a couple days ago, like maybe Thursday, came out here and cut the parsley and cut the chives. And look at, this is literally like 3 days of growth. The chives have already, they're literally so aggressive, but I love it because I love chives. Parsley, I'm actually pretty disappointed with. I don't like how it tastes. So I don't want to grow that again. It's pretty gross. Oh yeah, here's more of the edamame seed pods. More will grow there. Need a water. Because I love edamame. Here's another. Oh gosh, where is it? Can you see it? Very exciting. I kind of want to plant some more of those. And the last thing on here that you haven't seen is the thyme. I also gave this a haircut and cut across. And we have some in the fridge right now. It's really good. Interesting. Look at the base of these tiny bell peppers. Very woody. Look at how tiny it is. Oh my gosh. These are one of my favorite things to eat. We've got one over here. It looks like we've got 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ripening at the same time right now on this one. Pretty proud of that. Awesome. And this one just has 1. It's stressed, I guess. I need to water. And yes, that's everything. Let me know what you think. Give me any tips or ideas you think I should do. And I'm gonna get to watering now. So, I'll see you later. Bye.